Hey everyone and welcome. Today I am showing you how to make these crispy, flaky and absolutely delicious Nigerian meat rolls. A classic snack that's perfect for any time of the day. Join me in the kitchen. Let's get started. Let's start with the filling. Full list in the description below. Heat some oil in a pan over medium heat. Add chopped onions and garlic and saute until they turn soft and fragrant. Now add the ground beef and cook until browned. Ensure to break apart any lumps. Go ahead and add the diced carrots. Cook until the carrots are almost soft. Next, season with dried thyme, curry powder, ground black pepper, salt, and seasoning cube. All these give the filling that savory flavor and delicious taste. Check for salt and seasoning and adjust as needed. Getting the filling right results in delicious meat rolls. Add half a cup of water. Stir it, cover it, and allow it to cook for about a minute or two so that the carrots will become really soft. For a thicker, juicier filling, mix 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of water and stir it in. You can also use flour to thicken the sauce. Let it cook for another minute, then turn off the heat. Set it aside to cool completely before using. Now let's make the dough. In a mixing bowl, combine all-purpose flour, baking powder, and salt. Now add the cold butter. If you don't have a mixer, you can do the mixing in a bowl. Mix until the flour looks like breadcrumbs. Next, add the maple syrup and 1 egg and mix to combine. Then, slowly add milk or water. Continue mixing until a soft, smooth dough forms. The dough doesn't have to be stretchy or sticky. I would like you to pay attention to the texture of the dough. It is soft, it is smooth, but it is not stretchy and it is not sticky. If it is stretchy, it will not give you the crispy, flaky meat rolls we are targeting. Cover the dough with a damp cloth and let it rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now, roll out the dough on a lightly floured surface to about a 1/4 inch thickness. Cut it into a rectangle. Scoop the cold meat filling on the corner. Brush the edge with egg wash and fold over twice. Folding more than 2 times will give you a very thick crust. You don't want that. Now cut into smaller pieces as you prefer. Continue the process until you finish shaping the entire dough into small rolls. Place the rolls on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Brush the rolls with an egg wash. Use a fork to poke holes on top of the rolls. This will allow heat to go in for even baking. Now bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes or until the rolls become golden brown. Now our crispy, flaky, and absolutely delicious Nigerian meat rolls are ready. Just look at that golden crust. I can't wait for you to try this recipe. This is perfect as a snack, appetizer, or even a party treat. Enjoy it as it is, or with any beverage of choice. It pairs very well with Nigerian zobo drink too. If you loved this recipe, you should definitely check out my fish rolls recipe. It is another super tasty snack you don't want to miss. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I would like to hear from you, please. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.